In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view progress on monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull up a clear visual snapshot of how your work is moving along, all within your existing board. First, open monday.com and sign into your account. Use whichever method you normally use to log in, and once you're in, you'll land on your workspace. This is where all of your boards live. If you work across multiple teams or workspaces, make sure you're in the right area so the board you need is visible. Next, look to the left side of the screen and choose the board where you want to view progress. A board is essentially a table of items, tasks, or projects. Click the name of the board to open it. If you manage several boards, pick the one that holds the items you want to track right now. Think your project plan, sprint list, or campaign tracker. With the board open, move your eyes to the right side of the board's header and click the plus icon. This button is used to add tools and views that help you analyze your data. You're not changing the items themselves, you're just adding a way to visualize them. A search or selection panel will appear. In the search field, type progress tracking. This is a built-in option designed to show how much of your board is complete at a glance. It typically reads your item statuses and translates them into a % complete. So as you move items from in progress to done, the progress bar updates automatically. If your board already uses a status column, you'll get the most accurate results because progress is calculated from those status values. After typing progress tracking, press enter. This confirms your selection and adds the progress tracking view to your board. In a moment, you should see a visual indicator, often a progress bar or summary, reflecting completion across the items in this board. If your team uses groups or sections within the board, you may notice the progress view respects those groupings, giving you a quick read on where things stand. A couple of quick tips to get the most out of this. If the progress looks off, it usually means some items don't have a status set or the statuses haven't been updated recently. Keeping your item statuses current ensures the progress view stays accurate. And remember, you're not changing any data by adding this view. You're simply surfacing what's already there in a more visual way. That's it. Sign in, open your board, click the plus on the right, type progress tracking, and press enter. You now have a clean, real-time picture of your team's progress right inside monday.com.